Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download Adobe Premiere Pro trial version. So first step you need to do is to open Google and search here Adobe and open the first website. So once you are on the Adobe website, so here you can see that I already buy the plan, but let's suppose if you do not buy, so let me sign out first. Okay, so you simply need to scroll down and in the bottom you can see Help Center. Click here. Wait for a few seconds so that it will be open. Okay, so now you are here you can see that learn and support, and here you can see contact us, so click here. That is Adobe virtual assistant, and here you need to try or buy an app. Okay, and here you need to write I want Premiere Pro trial. So I want to try. So here you can see this time. So let's find agents are available in this time. So you must make sure that you are available on that time, and then you talk with the support agent and they will help you to get the trial version before you purchase. So this is the process that you need to follow to download Adobe Premiere Pro trial version. I hope you like this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.